how to log into your Twitch account after forgetting password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your twitch.tv, and then from there you can see your profile icon right here. Tap on profile, and then you can see the option of login. Tap on login, and all you need to do is add in all of the credentials in order to log in, right? But here we have, in case forgotten our password, then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option trouble logging in. But if you have used any of those platforms like your Google or Amazon or your Apple ID, then you can tap on these button where you wouldn't require the password, but there might be some process regarding their own credentials. So do that and log into your account. But if you have forgotten the manual password, then you can simply tap on trouble logging in option right there, and we'll get into this particular website right here, this particular link right here, where there might be the option of entering your phone number, or you can even use your email address. If you tap on use your email address, and when you do type your email address or your phone number, you'll be able to tap on continue, where you'll be able to get a code, or you'll be able to get a recovery link. Simply type that code down, or you can tap that link in order to open and reset your new password. After following all of the given on-screen prompt, you'll be able to reset it, and then you can come back to your login page and write in that new password and log into your account like that. And that is exactly how you'll be able to log into your Twitch account after forgetting password.